Welcome to our channel. In today's video, we're diving into something truly exciting for anyone who's ever dreamed of publishing books on Amazon but didn't know where to start. Imagine being able to write, design, and publish an entire, professional quality book all in just a few minutes. Sounds unbelievable, right? Well, that's exactly what this revolutionary AI tool called Royalty Profits AI does. It's an all-in-one system that automates everything from brainstorming ideas to publishing your finished book on Amazon KDP without needing any writing experience, design skills, or tech background. Whether you're an aspiring author, a side hustler looking to earn passive income, or a digital entrepreneur who wants to scale your publishing business, this tool makes it possible to create best-selling books faster than ever before. In this video, I'll walk you through what Royalty Profits AI is, its powerful features, how it works, what bonuses you get, and the pricing details so you can decide if it's the right fit for you. But before we jump in, please take a moment to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. It really helps us keep bringing you the best tools and strategies to make money online. And don't forget, the link to Royalty Profits AI is right there in the description if you want to check it out yourself. Royalty Profits AI is an advanced all-in-one AI-powered book creation and publishing platform designed to help anyone, even complete beginners, write and publish books on Amazon Kindle Direct Publishing in as little as 6 minutes. It combines multiple stages of book creation into one seamless workflow, automating everything from topic research, content generation, and cover design to formatting, metadata creation, and publishing. This tool isn't just another writing assistant. It's a complete book business builder. Whether you want to publish ebooks, low-content books like journals and planners, or full-length nonfiction and children's books, Royalty Profits AI gives you the power to do it all from a single dashboard. It uses cutting-edge AI models to write original, high-quality content based on your keywords or niche, designs professional covers using built-in image generators like DALL-E 3, GPT Image 1, and Nano Banana, and even prepares your file in Amazon-ready formats for instant upload. In short, Royalty Profits AI makes publishing fast, easy, and scalable, allowing you to create multiple income streams from Amazon without hiring writers, designers, or editors. Whether you're looking to launch your first book or build an entire self-publishing empire, this tool provides the automation and simplicity you need to make it happen. Royalty Profits AI comes packed with everything you need to turn simple ideas into polished, profitable books ready for Amazon KDP. At its core is the AI-powered book creation engine, which lets you create over 25 different types of books, from nonfiction guides and children's stories to journals, workbooks, and coloring books, all in under 6 minutes. The platform uses advanced GPT-based technology to generate human-like content that's engaging, original, and structured for reader satisfaction. It's built for efficiency, allowing anyone to produce full-length books without ever touching a blank page. The tool's complete chapter and outline generator takes care of the hardest part of book creation: structure. It instantly produces professional outlines and detailed chapter breakdowns based on your topic or niche, giving your book a logical flow that feels planned and professionally written. Once the content is generated, the professional book formatting feature automatically prepares your manuscript for Amazon KDP by exporting in PDF and EPUB formats, saving hours of manual formatting and editing work. Royalty Profits AI also includes an advanced cover design system with 3 powerful AI models, OpenAI DALL-E 3, GPT Image 1, and Nano Banana, that generate eye-catching book covers with just a few prompts. You can experiment with different styles, layouts, and visuals until you find the perfect design that matches your book's theme. Meanwhile, the built-in campaign management dashboard lets you manage and track all your projects in one place, so you can stay organized as you scale your publishing business. To help your books stand out and sell, Royalty Profits AI features a book description generator and author bio generator, both powered by AI to craft persuasive marketing copy that attracts readers and builds instant credibility. You also get a commercial license, meaning you can sell the books you create to clients and keep 100% of the profits, plus over-the-shoulder premium training that includes full video tutorials and a secret overnight selling strategy. The platform supports 11+ languages, making it perfect for global creators. Best of all, users receive lifetime updates, ensuring access to new book types, templates, and tools as the platform evolves. Getting started with Royalty Profits AI is incredibly simple. Everything happens inside a clean, user-friendly dashboard that's accessible from any device. Once you log in, you'll find all your projects and campaigns securely saved in the cloud, meaning you can pick up right where you left off anytime. The platform doesn't require any installation or special setup. Just log in and you're ready to start creating. Next, you'll select your book type and topic. Royalty Profits AI offers over 25 book categories to choose from. You simply enter your topic or main keyword, select your target audience, and choose your desired book length anywhere from 5 to 180 pages. The system then tailors your content generation settings accordingly. Once your input is ready, the magic begins. The AI book creator goes to work. In just 3 to 4 minutes, it automatically generates a complete, professional quality book that includes a structured chapter outline, engaging and original written content, a compelling book description, a persuasive author bio, and even SEO-optimized metadata for Amazon KDP. Everything is handled automatically, no writing, editing, or research required. The result is a book that reads naturally, flows logically, and is ready to capture readers' attention. After your book is written, you'll move on to design your AI-powered cover. Choose from 3 advanced AI models and simply type a short description of your desired style. The tool will instantly generate a professional, print-ready cover image that fits Amazon's exact specifications. Finally, choose your formatting options and export your finished files. Within minutes, you'll have everything ready to upload to Amazon KDP, set your pricing, and publish your book. From start to finish, the entire process takes under 6 minutes, delivering a complete, beautifully formatted book, including cover, description, and metadata, ready to earn you royalties within 24 to 48 hours. When you grab Royalty Profits AI, you're not just getting access to the software, you're also unlocking an exclusive bonus package designed to help you start fast and maximize your profits. The first bonus is the Quick Start Blueprint, a complete 30-day action plan that walks you step by step from setup to your first profitable book launch. This guide lays out exactly what to do each day so you can stay consistent, build momentum, and start seeing results without guesswork. The second bonus is the 10 Hot Niches Guide, featuring handpicked, high-demand niches specifically chosen for 2025. These are categories proven to sell and generate consistent royalties, saving you hours of research and giving you a shortcut to success. You'll also receive the Cover Design Templates Pack, a collection of professionally designed, ready-to-edit templates that help your books look premium and stand out on Amazon's crowded marketplace. These templates ensure your covers not only look stunning, but also convert browsers into buyers. Finally, there's the Amazon Ranking Guide that reveals insider strategies for boosting your book's visibility on Amazon search results and bestseller lists. It includes proven optimization tips, keyword tactics, and launch methods used by top self-publishers to drive consistent sales. Altogether, these bonuses have a total value of $248, but they're included completely free when you get Royalty Profits AI today, making it an unbeatable offer for anyone serious about publishing success. Royalty Profits AI is offered with 2 simple, one-time payment options, no monthly subscriptions or hidden fees. The first is the FE Basic license, priced at just $37 one time. This plan gives you full access to the core AI-powered book creation system. You can create up to 10 book campaigns per month, perfect for individuals who want to test the system or build their first few profitable books. The basic plan also includes over-the-shoulder premium training, the secret overnight selling strategy, and all 4 exclusive bonuses worth $248, plus a 30-day money-back guarantee, giving you complete peace of mind. For those ready to scale faster or turn book creation into a full-fledged business, there's the FE Commercial License, available for a one-time payment of $47. This upgraded plan includes everything in the basic version, but expands your monthly limit to 20 book campaigns, allowing you to publish more titles and multiply your income potential. More importantly, it unlocks commercial usage and agency rights, meaning you can create and sell books for clients and keep 100% of the profits. You'll also gain access to advanced AI features, priority support, and the same top-tier training and bonuses included in the basic plan. Both licenses are protected by a 30-day money-back guarantee, so you can try Royalty Profits AI risk-free and start building your publishing empire with zero financial pressure. And that wraps up our deep dive into Royalty Profits AI, the game-changing tool that lets you write, design, and publish Amazon books in just a few minutes. As you've seen, this platform makes it incredibly easy for anyone to step into the world of self-publishing, even with zero experience. You can go from a simple idea or keyword to a fully written, beautifully formatted, and professionally designed book ready to sell, all inside one powerful dashboard. Whether you want to create books for passive income, build a personal brand, or start offering book creation services to clients, Royalty Profits AI gives you everything you need to get started today. If you're ready to see how fast and effortless publishing can really be, make sure to check out the link in the description below. It'll take you directly to the official Royalty Profits AI page where you can grab your copy at the best available price and secure your exclusive bonuses before they're gone. Don't forget to like this video, drop a comment, and tell us what kind of books you'd like to create using this tool. Also, share this video with anyone who might be interested in making money online or starting a self-publishing business. And of course, subscribe to our channel for more videos on the best AI tools, digital marketing strategies, and online income opportunities. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.